Good morning, you guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today is my day off from work, and I thought I would bring you guys along because we are doing a couple of fun things. We are starting off the day at the gym, and I have to go to Costco. Then we want to try the new Starbucks drink that just came out, the like brown sugar shaken espresso one. I don't know the full name, but we really want to go try that out. And then we'll see what the day brings after that. We'll see at what time we get back home. It's about 8:30 right now, and we're leaving for the gym pretty much right now. But I thought I would bring you guys along, so let's get this day started. Alright, we made it to the gym. I'm gonna go work out, and I'll be right back. What's up, guys? We are now in the car. I didn't really vlog that much at the gym because I don't bring the camera along and there's so many people, and at Costco it was so busy. I wanted to take the camera out at some point, but there were so many people, like we were literally bumping into each other, so I was just like, nah. But I do have a haul for you guys this afternoon. Well, this afternoon, when we get home. It's only 10:20. We are going to Starbucks now to try the new drink, the brown sugar shaken espresso. I'm sure I'm missing a word in that name, but we're gonna, it is, well, it's not complicated, it's just long. So we're going to Starbucks. We're gonna try the new drink. We're gonna do a taste test on camera for you guys and let you know how it tastes, and then we'll see what happens for the rest of the day. I do want to do a really fun recipe with you guys tonight for dinner, so stay tuned for that. We're going to be making dinner together, and that's pretty much it for now. So let's go to Starbucks. You guys, we got the drinks, and let me show you guys. They're so freaking cute. Like, this is beautiful. I'm so excited to try it. I think we're gonna wait until we get home to try them so that we can like sit down and do a taste test while we're not driving. And I'll also do a little Costco haul for you guys once we get there. I do have to say that they were very expensive. So I mean, it's Starbucks, so I do know that it's more expensive, but it was like $16 for 2 grande drinks. So that was kind of expensive, but that's fine. I'm really excited to try them when we get home. All right, you guys, we're back home, sitting on the ground, and we are going to try the new, how are they called? Brown sugar, it's brown sugar, oat milk, shaken espresso. So we're going to,
I think there's like the cinnamon as well somewhere there.
Oh yeah, it smells like Cinnamon Toast Crunch.
All right.
I think it's gonna be good. All right, cheers.
Oh boy. It also tastes like cinnamon toast crunch.
And brown sugar.
And brown sugar, yeah. No, it's really
okay,
good.
yeah, I like the aftertaste.
I wonder the bottom. Though.
Well, I think it'll mix.
Eventually.
So, I'm glad that it's not too sweet. I was kind of scared it was gonna be too sweet because it's brown sugar. Well, I know it's probably not exactly brown sugar they put in it, but I thought it was gonna be too sweet, which it is not. And I like it a lot. I definitely recommend you guys try it out. This is really good.
It's good.
This would be a really yummy summer drink.
Yeah,
right?
During the summer.
I mean, any iced drinks during the summer would be yummy.
It's good.
All right, I'll do a little Costco haul for you guys. All right, welcome to another Costco haul. I feel like this is all my channel is, Costco hauls. Like every video I have a Costco haul for you guys. But I love watching grocery hauls, so this is why I do it. So first off, we've got some raspberries right here. I got some disposable face masks just because for the gym, I feel so much more comfortable wearing this, and I also have to wear some at work, and we only have the blue ones at work, and I feel like the black ones are just cuter and they look more clean, I feel. Then we got some eggs, some of these creamy dill pickle salads, some tzatziki. That is for the dinner that we are making tonight. I'm so excited to show you guys. Some maple syrup, some grapes, pickles for burgers because we are out, some chocolate milk because I was feeling like having a treat in the apartment, and this is going to be the treat for the week. Some limes, which are for another recipe that I want to make this week. Some shallots, mangoes, bananas. Oh, I forgot some black peppercorns, bananas, iced coffee from Starbucks. Costco hasn't had those in such a long time, so as soon as I saw them, I grabbed them because I've been drinking iced coffee every single morning, but using our Keurig cups to make it, so I feel like this is gonna be better. Some bread, some pita breads, ground beef, and spaghettis. All right, now I have to put all of that away and I'll talk to you guys in a bit. What is up, you guys? We are in the car. Well, I am in the car, I'm alone. I am going to Walmart. I need to buy a couple things for dinner tonight that I couldn't find at Costco. And then I'm gonna head back home and we're gonna make dinner together. I think I'm gonna make this a 2-day vlog. So I'm working tomorrow, but I have off on Sunday. So I'm thinking I'll vlog today and Sunday maybe. Because honestly, when I work, I just don't really do that much. I could do a day in my life, like going to work. Like I wouldn't bring you guys along to work, but show you guys like what my days look like. I could do that if you guys are interested. Leave me a comment down below if you want to see that. But it's pretty boring, standard, like I get ready in the morning, go to work, come back home, eat dinner, go to bed. But if you guys want to see that, I mean, let me know. But yeah, right now I'm going to Walmart and I'm also gonna go to Bulk Barn to get some things, and then we're gonna cook dinner together. And also I know this is super weird because we can't see my forehead and that's kind of weird, but whatever. Let's go to Walmart. Also, you guys, can we talk about how exciting it is to wear shoes out for the first time in the spring after winter, after wearing boots for like months? Well, that's me today. I'm really, really excited. And yes, that's ice right there, but there's no snow, it's not wet, there's no water, so I'm taking a risk and wearing shoes. Guys, am I the only one who didn't know that they made Easter Pillsbury cookies? These are so cute. You guys, I just did Walmart and Bulk Barn, and well, when you stop at Bulk Barn, obviously you gotta get some candy. So let me show you guys what I got. I got this big bag of candy. I haven't had candy in so long. Like I'll eat chocolate, but like these I have not had in so long. I think I have like 6 different candies in there, but I'm so excited to eat some of them. And also, do you guys remember the cinnamon dolce coffee enhancer that I found at the grocery store a couple weeks ago? Guess what I found at Walmart? Like, I'm so excited about this. Let me show you guys. Caramel Macchiato coffee enhancer. I was actually gonna buy some more creamer, our vanilla creamer that we get that's with almond milk. And then I found this, and there was no more of our creamer, so I was like, this is faith. I have to get it. And I love the caramel macchiato, so I'm so excited to try this tomorrow morning. I'll also try it on Sunday so that I can show you guys, or maybe I'll vlog tomorrow. You know what? We'll see, but I'll definitely do a taste test eventually in this vlog. But for now, I just wanted to show you guys these 2 things that I found that I was so happy about. And yeah, let's go home and let's go cook some dinner. I'm so excited to show you guys this recipe. So let's go. All right, you guys, I'm back home and I'm making dinner. This is the dinner that we are making tonight. It's couscous with like a Greek salad and Greek meatballs on top, and it is so freaking good. This is from our Good Food box that we got last week, and it was so good that I decided to buy all the ingredients to redo it. So let's make it together. So what you will need is some apple cider vinegar. I don't know what happened to my bottle. It just decided to, like, I don't know. It's just acting weird. Some Greek spices, some garlic, couscous. I don't eat tomato and Alex doesn't either. But usually you need a tomato for the salad. We're just gonna use a red bell pepper for today. Shallots, some dill, ground beef, and cucumber. I think that's pretty much it. Oh, and tzatziki. So I'm gonna chop up everything and then I'll explain a bit more what I'm doing. All right, you guys, I've started prepping. This right here is the little salad that goes in the Greek bowl. So we've got the peppers, half of a shallot, cucumbers, the Greek spices, salt and pepper, apple cider vinegar, olive oil, and some fresh dill in there. And then the other half of the dill and the shallots are going in the meatballs, which I'm also going to add the Greek seasoning and some garlic too with some salt and pepper, and then I'm going to cook them on the stove, and the couscous is already in the pot cooking right now. All right, you guys, I made the meatballs right over here, and now I've got my pan heating up to cook them. So what I'm gonna do is once it's hot, I'm going to put them in here, and I'm gonna put a lid on top so that they cook all the way through. And then I'll show you guys the final result. All right, you guys, dinner is served. So basically you put the couscous in the bottom, you put the salad, and then you put the meatballs, and then you add some tzatziki on top, and you mix and enjoy. I definitely recommend you guys try this out. It is so good. Like I said earlier, we got the recipe from Good Food, and honestly, I love them so much. I ordered Good Food like 2 weeks ago, last week, and I've got another one coming this week, which is maybe a lot. We're not gonna be ordering every single week, but they had so many good options that I just had to. Good morning, you guys. It is the next day. I'm just about to head out the door to go to work, but I am trying the caramel macchiato enhancer this morning, and I really wanted to do a little taste test for you guys on screen because tomorrow morning I really want to try to make the brown sugar oat milk shaken espresso drink at home. So I'm not going to be doing the caramel macchiato taste test tomorrow morning, so I'm going to do it right now. All right, so I've got my coffee ready for work in this cute little mug that I got for Christmas. I added some oat milk and then a bit of the coffee enhancer. I don't add too much since I'm already adding oat milk in it. And I used the cold coffee that I got yesterday from Costco. So let's taste it. So since it's cream, it all goes directly to the bottom of the drink. And I thought I mixed it well, but I guess I didn't. Oh, hey Alex.
Yeah.
But it tastes really good. I preferred this one to the cinnamon dolce one that I had before.
Me too.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Alex didn't really like the cinnamon dolce one. I didn't mind it. I thought it was really good, but this one literally tastes like dessert. Definitely recommend you guys try it out. It is so good. But I will talk to you guys later because I do need to leave for work right now. So I'll probably update you guys tomorrow morning. Bye guys. Good morning, you guys. It is Sunday morning, and this morning we are making the brown sugar oat milk shaken espresso drink together. So I made the little syrup that needs to go in the coffee drink. Let me show you guys what it looks like. This right here is what it looks like. It's pretty dark. I'll have a recipe linked down below for you guys if you guys want to try this out. But the little syrup is basically brown sugar, cinnamon, vanilla extract, and a bit of water. Next, you usually need 2 shots of espresso. Obviously, it says it in the name of the drink. But I don't have espresso. I only have this iced coffee right here, so this is what I'm going to use. And I do have oat milk. I know this isn't the one that they use at Starbucks, but for me, oat milk is oat milk. So how this works is I'm going to add half a cup of coffee into a shaker. I'm going to be using this one, which, yes, this is a alcoholic drink shaker, but this is all we have, so this is what we're gonna use. And 4 tablespoons of the little syrup that I just made. Shake that up for about 1.5 to 2 minutes. Put it in a glass with some ice, and then put some milk on top. So let's make it. All right, so half a cup of coffee. That goes into the shaker, which I think I'm gonna make a mess. I'm gonna do this over the sink. And done. And 4 tablespoons of the little syrup. All right, so I added 3, and I'm actually gonna add more coffee to this because this is not an espresso, so it's not gonna be strong if I don't add more coffee. There we go. Add the top and hope that it doesn't make a mess when you start shaking it. Here we go. And we made a mess. Don't just open it right away. I feel like it just puffed up in this container in this shaker, and it went everywhere when I opened it. I'm gonna clean this up and I'll show you guys the final result. The last thing to do is to put this with some ice in a cup with some oat milk on top. You guys, This literally looks like what it looked like in my cup. Oh my god, this is so freaking cool. I still have to pick up my mess, but this is so freaking nice. Oh my god. I do feel like theirs had some cinnamon on top, which I'll see if I need to add some or not. But I'm gonna clean up my mess and then we're gonna do a taste test. All right, you guys, I'm now sitting at the table and I'm going to do a little taste test for you guys of the drink. This is what it looks like. It looks so good and I'm hoping it tastes pretty much the same. Also, what is this? But let's taste test this. It tastes pretty good. It doesn't taste exactly the same because it's not the same coffee, but overall it tastes really, really yummy. I obviously won't be making this like every day to drink because there's brown sugar in it. I want to start drinking brown sugar every day and not be able to have my coffee without as much sugar in it. But it's very, very good. I definitely recommend you guys try it out. Look down below for the recipe. Yeah, this was really, really good. I definitely recommend. So we're gonna get on with the day, and if I do anything interesting, then I'll bring you guys along. What is up, you guys? I am currently editing this vlog and I realized I never ended it, so I'm here to end it. I really hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe down below for more, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.